If you've encountered this unexpected and perplexing dilemma, fear not. This guide is tailored to address the app disappeared from home screen on iPhone precisely with 14 dependable methods. Yet before that, let's check out the underlying causes of this challenge. Solution 2. 8 disappeared apps in the app library. Solution 3. Ask Siri for help. Solution 4. Use Spotlight. Solution 5. Turn off offload unused apps. Solution 6. Inspect your folders. Solution 7. Allow apps in screen time. Solution 8. Unhide purchased apps. Solution 9. Reset iPhone settings. Solution 10. Hide home screen pages. Solution 11. Reset the home screen layout. Solution 12. Restore iPhone from iTunes. Solution 13. Download missing apps from the App Store. Part 3. Fix app icon disappeared from home screen on iPhone deftly. If your efforts to restore the missing icon on your iPhone haven't yielded results, there might be an underlying problem. To efficiently tackle this, it's recommended to employ a dedicated software known as iOS System Recovery.